Welcome back, everyone. Okay, so we've looked at string variables as well as number variables. I almost said string inputs. We haven't got there yet. That's today's lesson. We're going to do user inputs just with string. We're not going to get to numbers yet. Numbers are for next lesson because it's a little bit more complicated, and we're just taking baby steps to kind of learn how to program. But this will be the first time that whatever you code will be interactive for the user, and it's actually better to see this either live or in video. So I'm going to call this input, or maybe I should call it string inputs .py. Okay, there we go. So the new key phrase I'm going to teach you is input. It kind of behaves just like print. If I hit save, if I run this now, it won't say anything, but now my terminal down here is waiting for me to type something in. So if I say hello, and then I press enter, it will end the program because there's nothing else going on in the program. Well, I can actually give the user instructions on what to input. So I could say, what is your name? Right? Save it, and I'll run it. Now it says, what is your name? And now my indicator is right at the end of that. So if I say Keith Smith, which is my name, I press run. Okay, there we go. So it will work, but it's not really doing anything yet. So if I want to get their name, maybe I should throw it in a string variable, which I'm going to call name. So now they can enter their name, and then I'm going to print something, like a response after they say something. So I could say, hello, and then their name, because whatever they type in, that's what's going to go there. It is nice to meet you. Also, while I'm at it, while I'm still editing the code, I'm going to do a \n because this means a new line, right? So what's nice about this is it'll say, what is your name? And then on the next line, I'll get the input, which makes it really nice to actually get what I need. And I'm going to label these sections, even though there's only 2 lines, input, and I'm going to label this output. There we go. Just to keep it nice and neat and organized, because normally most programs have an input, a process, which is usually just calculations, and then an output. In this case, we only have an input and an output. There's not a lot we can do for processes. You could use string methods on name, though. Anyway, let's run this. What is your name? John Halo. My name's John Halo. So it says, hello, John Halo. It is nice to meet you. Okay, we could enter any name. I could enter Luigi Mario. And the same thing happens. It says, hello, Luigi Mario. It is nice to meet you. We could also modify name. We could say name equals name.upper, right? Remember, upper converts every single letter to uppercase. So if I say Steve Smith, it says, hello, Steve Smith, all caps. It is nice to meet you. So you can do tons of things with string, and this is just the first step on how to get inputs with string. And you can have multiple variables with different inputs to actually construct different things. I think that's enough for now for you to do your daily activity. So good luck with that, and I will see you in the next one.